Moving on, Board of Secondary Education Manipur Bosem Chairman A. Joykumar has appealed to all concerned not to impose any form of agitation taking into account the Class 10 exam which will begin tomorrow. Speaking to media at Bosem office Bahupara, A. Joykumar said altogether 37,715 students including 19,087 boys and 18,628 girls will be appearing the Class 10 examination this year. The exam will be held across 154 centers, including 63 centers in the hills and 91 in the valley. He said as many as 25 inspection teams, both government and private combined, will function as flying squads. Stating that all necessary preparations are in place to conduct the exam smoothly, the Bosem chairman appealed to all concerned not to give any form of disturbances.
Agitation, rocket, Manipuri,